In this video, I'm going to take you through a detailed review of RealtyShares, an online platform that allows individuals to invest in real estate. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional investment options, RealtyShares might be something worth considering. The site is designed to make real estate investing accessible for people who don't have the capital or desire to buy physical property themselves. To get started, the first thing you'll notice is how user-friendly the platform is. You can browse through various property listings, including residential and commercial projects, which are carefully vetted by the team. Each listing provides detailed information about the investment opportunity, including the projected return on investment, location insights, and financial breakdowns. Once you've found an investment you're interested in, you can start by creating an account. Signing up is straightforward, and you'll be prompted to provide some basic financial information to ensure you're eligible for the platform's opportunities. RealtyShares is available to accredited investors, so it's important to check whether you meet their qualifications. After registering, you can browse the various available projects. RealtyShares offers opportunities to invest in both equity and debt offerings, giving you flexibility depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Equity investments allow you to share in the profits from the property's appreciation and rental income, while debt investments are more about lending your money to developers in exchange for interest payments. The platform also provides excellent tools to help you track your investments. You'll receive regular updates on the performance of the properties you've invested in, along with any important milestones or issues that may arise during the course of the investment. RealtyShares aims to keep investors informed with transparent reporting. Another key feature of RealtyShares is its focus on creating a diversified portfolio. You can invest in multiple properties, reducing your exposure to any single investment. This is a smart way to mitigate risk and potentially boost returns over time. Additionally, the platform allows you to start investing with relatively small amounts compared to purchasing physical properties, making it accessible for beginners. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check them out after watching. These links will lead you to additional resources that could help you explore further options in real estate investing. If you're considering using RealtyShares, I recommend taking your time to thoroughly research each investment opportunity. Make sure to understand the risks involved, and remember that while real estate can be a lucrative market, it can also be volatile. With the right strategy and a diversified portfolio, however, you can potentially achieve a steady passive income stream. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your real estate investments.